Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm actually on the road right now. I took the car in to get an oil change, but I didn't book an appointment, so I have to come back tomorrow. So I'm just using this time wisely. I'm gonna try and push out and see how best I can actually push out and thingy. Hold on there. Alright, so I pushed out and I made it through. I pushed through traffic. But yeah, anyway. So, it's been on my mind because I realized a lot of people, I've heard a lot of people talk about this before, where they're in a situation where they don't have a job and they don't want a certain kind of job that's, say, paying them less than what they think they deserve. Be it that they have a bachelor degree or some kind of certificate, you're educated, you know, you went to college or whatever it is, and you're seeking a job, but the jobs that are in your area is not paying you what you're supposed to get for your education or for your title, you know. So a lot of people will take that and say, hey, I won't take a job that's paying me X amount of money. They just won't take it because they're not getting, you know, the stipulated amount that they're supposed to get for their degree or for their certificate. But my question is to you, would you rather work at a job for a while or have a plan to work at a job for a while and have an income of say you're getting like $9, $10 an hour, $12 an hour? Wouldn't you prefer to work at that job and save, or would you prefer to sit down and not work at all? Because remember, we don't control time. You know, time is against us. When you check it out, time is against us. There's 24 hours in a day, and the more time we waste, the more time we idle, the less we earn, the less productive we are as a people. So if you're working 8-9 hours a day and you're getting $8, $9, $10, isn't that better than not working at all? And say you're home 1 month pass, you're not working, 2 months pass, 3 months, 4 months, and so on. You're actually losing out on an opportunity to better yourself, to save some money while you're broke, because you're leaving college with your degree, probably have student loan, probably have certain bills to pay, but instead of working that job that's going to pay $8, $9, $10 an hour, you refuse to because, you know, you're entitled to what your degree, you know, the system say you're supposed to get because of your degree. And I think it's sad that a lot of people look at it that way. Oh, I'm underpaid, or I'm not gonna get that amount, so I won't take that job. Listen to me. If it's me, I would take that job, even if it would take up rubbish. As long as I'm getting paid for it and I can save, I will do that job. I'm not going to use pride and then I starve and dead for hungry. Because it's one thing when you're broke and hungry, and another thing when you're working and getting a little. Every mickle make a muckle, right? I've learned that every mickle make a muckle. Every dollar add up. Every cent add up. And my advice to you guys, if you're in this situation where you're getting or you're expecting a small amount for your salary, go ahead and work with it. You don't know what opportunity you might gain from that one opportunity. You don't know how much door might open from that one situation. So my advice to you is put aside your pride for a while and just look at it as a door opening up that will lead to more doors for you. You can be in a job and you get promoted and you get more money. But when you're on the outside looking at, oh, I'm going to work for $8 or $10 or $2. Listen to me, stop looking at it that way. Go ahead, dive right in, work with it, and you'll be surprised sometime. You'll be surprised to get a manager role or a CEO, anything. No, well, not really a CEO, you know, probably some small businesses you might be the CEO or whatever it is. But supervisor role, you know, you get more money and stuff like that. So look from it from an opportunity perspective where you can actually earn and learn at the same time to better yourself, you know, added skills. You can learn certain stuff in different fields, you see. So that's a point I want to get across to you guys. Take an opportunity when it is given to you. Don't use pride and let that overshadow your progress, because once you overshadow your progress, you're losing out. And next man is working that job and saving and paying his bill and can buy certain stuff that he really needs. You see what I'm saying to you guys? So, you know, take my advice, work with the opportunity that, you know, is given to you, accept it, you know, with full arms, and work from there, save and plan. So, you know, that's my advice to you guys today. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Thanks for tuning in again. Thanks a lot for all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate that you have subscribed. I haven't seen most of you guys' comments, so I don't really know how many of you. Well, I've seen the subscribers. I know some of you are new, and I appreciate all you that have been, you know, subscribing and watching my videos. Thanks very much for that. Continue to look out for more videos like this, nice, interesting videos, you know, upliftment. I'm here to uplift you and share myself with you guys, so you guys can have, you know, a better day, a better month, a better year, and just feel good in yourself and know that, you know, somebody out there have your back. You know, so I have your back, and I love to encourage you and motivate you each and every day. So remember, I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Subscribe for more. Leave a comment below. It is free. Leave a comment. I like the comments. I like to reply to the comments. Even if it's 2 words, you know, you can add a couple more to it. But yeah, definitely leave a comment below. So thanks for watching again, JVLOGS people. I'm out.